There's the well cover. All these ones are potatoes and the potters. These ones are all onions. These three. Threw some beets in. What's a farm without beets? I just planted these three. A couple of Saskatoons. Bushes, I guess. Saskatoon berry. They're edible. These are all potatoes. Again, got lots of potatoes going on. There's some zucchini and squash, I think. Gotta fill that one up. We got a couple empty spots behind there. There's some watermelon, some zucchinis, beans back there, and peas right there. It kind of got cold nipped. It was kind of cold the other night. I just threw these out here, some serranos. They're sprouting in the room. Zucchini, I think. Peas. Peas are banging. Banging peas. I kind of put that log in between because there's a hole. And that's kind of just wedged in there. I found this little piece that kind of worked. Put that piece in there. It's kind of just a makeshift thing of everything. There's old junky wood behind it, and then the little paver. And then, yeah. This garden so far. I want to build a greenhouse over here, hopefully, here soon. I guess we'll see about that. All this goddamn mud. It all came up from the well, if you could tell. It's all just mounded up around it. All this nasty muddy shit. Where's my tusk? Planted some blackberry bushes back here. I mean, on bush, but this is a goddamn stick. I guess this was... Oh, they're taking off. They didn't look all droopy the other day. But they're going. Matt brought those over the other day. There's inside. There's the room. The weirdest little shed. And this part is kind of, the back of the trailer's been kind of neglected. Nobody really sees that though, so whatever. Okay, that should have been in the garbage. I don't see why it's there. There's my fucking garbage over there on their side. Hey, I better grab that. Ugh. Look at the jank. The Charlie jank. took off. There's a bunny. There's a bunny. So there's a bunny over there. Saskatoon. Legend.